What's up? I'm going to unbox my new Springfield 1911 A1 loaded target. Right off the bat, I love this box. Springfield Armory, their logo, black and white. It's clean, it's very good looking. It's like you're getting like a nice electronic or like some sort of like cool tech product. Open it up from here. You got a fun little statement right on the front. And here you got a gun and a nice little pouch. This is just nice. As you can see, their presentation is amazing. Obviously in here you got all your paperwork. Comes with a sticker, user manual, some warranty activation, warnings. This is a very, very dangerous item. So, warning time. Ooh, we got something else. What do we got here? Oh, more warranty activation stuff. It's just clean. Such a nice presentation. Wrench for the guide rod. You got that. Chamber flag. Under accessories you got an accessory, an extra mag. As you can tell, this is a very good looking firearm. About 1.5 years ago, I wanted to buy my first 1911. I wasn't sure what I wanted, what style I wanted, what color scheme I wanted, until I saw this. I saw this on the website of a store near my house, but I hesitated, and by the time I called, they were all sold out. And they didn't come back in stock until just now. And now I have it. Everything on this looks good, even down to the writing. Springfield Armory, the font, model 1911 A1, and of course it's going to say caliber 45 on the side. I mean, it kind of has to. Got the Cocobolo wood grips. This is my second 1911 and my first Springfield. So this is kind of interesting. When I first got it, right out of the box, there's a few aspects about this gun that seemed a little rough. A little bit of grime on the trigger. The trigger itself was super gritty until I just kind of, maybe 10 to 15 pulls. I just kind of played with it for a while. I don't know if that was just like they needed a break-in period. Feels a lot more normal now. Also, the first few times I took the mag in and out, I really had a hard time getting it back in there. It would get stuck about halfway through, and it really took a lot of effort to really just jam it in there. And I tried with 3 different types of mags. That problem corrected itself after about 15 to 20 times. I bought this brand new. Now if I take this gun to the range and it functions perfectly, then I don't care about anything I just mentioned. It's fine. But yeah, if you're a 1911 person, is that normal? Because on the Kimber here, you see none of that. I do love this gun. Can't wait to shoot it. Check out these giant target sights on the back. This gun does feel very solid and well made. A lot of people say 1911s need a break-in period. Maybe that's what was going on with the trigger and also the mag. This feels really nice to hold. These Cocobolo wood grips feel really good in the hand. Beautiful brushed stainless steel on the side. You got some matte on top. The slide serrations are a little bit darker. Got the small serrations. I really like the look of these, like a lot of small serrations as opposed to like the kind of bigger ones. Big ones are easier to grab though, but these just look a little better, I think. The wood grips, the stainless finish, this writing on the side just gives it such a classic look. This brushed steel does get super smudgy though. But if you've seen Face Off, it's atrociously unacceptable for any gun, not even 1911 owner, but any gun owner to not have 2 identical 1911s. I know I don't have 2 identical 1911s yet, but I will. So, yeah.